Hi everyone, this is Maria and I'm in the showroom. So today I will show you a special display which used in the welding machine, and the quantity we sold to this company is more than I think 5,000 pieces per year. Okay, so here this is the display they use. This is 7-inch display with the shear, and this is the structure. Okay, the internal structure. Okay, it's like this. They use, I think, RS232 like this. So let's check the display interface. Okay, so this is the scan speed, scan width, and the pulse, and the laser function, red, indication red, signal, welding mode. Okay, let's check it. Open, close, per dot, per line. This is the welding mode. Continuous or dot. This is the technology. You can set the scan speed and the scan width. Different technology. Setting. It has the password system. Okay. Language. Portugal. Turkey. English. Return. And now all is English. Scan speed, scan width, peak power, monitor. Okay. Return. Technology. Return. Okay, so do you have a better understanding on this part?